again to Ama's Corner. Today I'm going to show you 2-in-1 video. I'm going to show you how to make popsicles for your little ones during summer. You know it's really hot when it's summertime. Also, I'm going to show you how to make Ghana ice cream. I bet you don't want to miss this lovely episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. The name has always been Nana Ama Akuma. So I'm going to start by showing you the ingredients that I'm going to use for my popsicles and Ghana ice cream. We got only 3 ingredients for the Ghana ice cream and we got 2 ingredients for the popsicles. Isn't that amazing? So over here I got my milk powder for my Ghana ice cream. I got my vanilla extract for my Ghana ice cream. I got my lovely condensed milk for my Ghana ice cream. So over here I got my mixed fruit for my popsicles. You can use fresh fruit if you want. And I got my 150 ml fresh milk for my popsicles. So guys, I'm going to start with the Ghana ice cream first because it needs to go on fire, it needs to settle and goes in the freezer. So I'm going to start measuring my milk powder. That is 1.5 cup. So that's 1 cup. I'm going to add 500 ml of warm water. Then you mix it up. Then you mix it up till the milk powder dissolves. So after it dissolves, you're going to add half of this condensed milk. This one is 20 grams, so I'm going to use just 10 grams of it. So there we go. Then you mix it up. And after this it goes on fire. I just want the condensed to mix properly with the milk powder. That is why it goes on fire. Mostly people use full cream milk. If you don't want to use the milk powder, you can use the full cream milk. Ice cream, it's ready. So now that my ice cream is off fire, I'm going to add half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Put it in. Then you mix it up together. After mixing it up, you pour it in your jar or your bowl or anything to cool it down. So now I'm going to put it aside to cool it down. Then I can put it in the container and it goes in the freezer. So guys, whilst my ice cream is cooling down, I'm going to start with the popsicles with just 2 ingredients. So today I'm going to use my smoothie blender, as you can see, or you can use your normal blender, but make sure there is no chili or any spices in the blender. It has to be clean because popsicles are for kids. Yeah, so I'll first put my mixed fruit in there. After that, you're going to use 150 ml of full cream milk. So now that everything is mixed, I'm going to cover it. Okay. My mixed fruit popsicles are ready to go in the container. So these are the containers that I'm going to use for my popsicles today. You can get that online, you can get it on my website. If you are in Australia, you can get it from a Just Shop, Kmart, Big W, Target, Chinese shop, anywhere you can get it. So my fruit and milk goes in my containers. It shouldn't be too full. This size is okay. Yep. So this is how it should be. Then you put your lids on like that. So these lids help to hold your popsicles for you. There we go. It's ready to go in the freezer. This is really healthy for kids because it's got no sugar, nothing. It's very healthy. Kids can have milk from 12 months old, but parents with kids under 12 months, you can use your formula for it. You don't have to stress that much. You don't have to worry, what about my baby, what about my baby? You can use your formula and fresh fruit or the frozen ones as well. So now it goes in the freezer. So my ice cream has cooled down now. I'm going to pour them in our cups. In Ghana, we use cups like this or even smaller than this one for our ice cream with sticks. But today I'm going to use my kebab sticks, little ones. Sometimes too, they use plain plastic bag. But I do not have the smaller ones. I only got the big ones. So I'm going to try to see if it's going to work for the big ones. If not, I'm just going to use the cups. So I'm going to put half in each cup. So after you've put in them in this cup, all that you're going to do is just like the popsicles. You're just going to have to put your sticks in like that. But in Ghana, we got a special sticks that we do. So now it's ready to go in the freezer. Yay! Guess what? I was able to use the plastic bag. I added the color. You can use the color if you want, just to change its color. You can use yellow, you can use red, you can use green, any food color that you want. I'm just giving you extra ideas so that your kids can love it. So now it goes in the freezer for 10 good hours. After 10 hours, your ice cream is ready to be served. Hey guys, it's been 10 hours now. Let's go check our ice cream from the freezer. So guys, this is my Ghana ice cream. As you can see, it's ready. And these are my popsicles for the mixed fruit. And this is the Ghana ice cream. I tried adding the color to it. As you can see, it's also ready. So at this point, I'm going to take one of each and open it out from the cup and the popsicle for you to see how it looks like. So we'll start with the Ghana ice cream. So before taking it out, you have to spin your stick. But if it's really difficult for you to take it out from the cup, you just have to get a cold water, put it in for just some few seconds, and your ice cream will be ready to come out. So at this point, I'm going to spin it till I get my ice cream out. And bingo! That is our Ghana ice cream. My goodness, that looks really nice. It's going to taste really yummy. This ice cream tastes really yummy. I hope you try this at home with your family. They will love it. So let's check our popsicles and see if it's ready as well. The same thing applies to the popsicles. If you're finding it really hard to take it off, you just have to put it in the cold water for just a few seconds and it will come out. So at this point, I'm going to shake them and see how this one came out. Wow, this really came out really nicely. Your kids are going to love this when you do this at home for them. Oh my goodness me. You can taste the fruit, no sugar. It's really healthy. This is really good for your kids. And even you can also try this and have it at home. So for the Ghana ice cream, when you put it in the plastic bag, this is how it's going to look like after you take it out from the freezer. I added color to it. You can add any color of your choice. But in Ghana, they got a special plastic bag that they use to tie up this ice cream. Unfortunately, I didn't have it, so I have to use the bigger one. I hope you enjoyed this 2-in-1 video today. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you are new in Ama's Corner, thank you for coming. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. My name has always been Nana Ama Akuma. I will see you the same time next week. Bye.